Bright MLS assembled a team of experts to analyze home sales across their entire market footprint over the past 2 years, with the goal of finding the difference between homes marketed on the MLS and homes sold off MLS, via for sale by owner, as office exclusives, or other off-MLS options. In these efforts, over 442,000 home sales were examined. Their findings? The on-off MLS study found homes marketed on the MLS netted a median sale price of 16.98% higher overall. That's over a $40,000 additional return on a median-priced home. When further broken down to compare like homes through square footage, mid-sized homes sold on the MLS had a median difference of 18% over those sold off MLS. The findings are clear. Homes promoted through the MLS sell for more money. Cooperation amongst the brokers and agents who are Bright subscribers is one of the pillars of our organization, and the findings in this report conclusively demonstrate the power of this cooperation and the benefits of an efficient and accessible market. Access the full study and more information at brightmls.com/on-MLS study.